Hey everyone. Okay, today I want to do a review on this thing right here. This is a UV tempered glass. You can buy these on eBay. Literally, all you got to do is just go on eBay and type in UV glue tempered glass. And in the package, this is what it's going to look like. You get a little UV black light. That's what's going to dry this glue. This glue is pretty essentially like the one that's in between your phone screens. Kind of like it, except that one's called Loca, L-O-C-A. It's a little bit different. But yeah, comes a little tube of glue right there. Sometimes they might not give you enough. Sometimes it might be too much. The quality control isn't really the best on it. Other cool things about these is, this is it. I mean, you're just going to get in like a painted tempered glass. But I've had these on like S9s before, and sometimes they will come off within like, I don't know, 1 second. If you basically were to, if you had to take it off, for example, for cleaning purposes, or you want to put a new one on, if you got it cracked, they hold on great. That's what I love these things about, is they hold on great, no matter what. But sometimes the glue can be so tough that you'll be there scraping at it for a while. I had one on an S9 and it took me like 20 minutes to get the damn thing off of there. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going to show y'all like how to put it on. Like I said, I like them. They're fun. It's another option for screen protectors for curved phones like the Note 9. That you can get them for the S10, the S9, the S8. A phone repair site I use right now, they're coming out with another one that's essentially the pane of glass right here, but it's full adhesive. Whoops. It's like just all adhesive right there. It's hit or miss, so that's why I kind of like this, because sometimes you can't get the bubbles out. With this one, there's maybe itty bitty bubbles, but it still works just as good. And plus, this can be cheaper sometimes too. You just get a little alcohol prep pad and crap in there. Literally clean it as best as you can, because if you can make this screen protector last. It could probably make it last a year or more if you treat it good enough. I mean, I dropped my Galaxy S9 with one of these on there from my big ass truck, and it was still perfect. I was able to drop it like 5 or 10 times, and my screen was still perfectly fine. Sold the phone, and it works great. So literally just clean it as best as you can. You don't want any dirt or anything like that. Do you need a microfiber? Okay. Alright, next part I kind of call it one of the tricks. There's really like 2 tricks to this, is laying the glue down and then placing the glass. Alright, so that's about as clean as I can humanly get it. So this is like a little like pressure release thing, but it doesn't work sometimes, so I just literally just squeeze the crap out and it works. So once you open it, basically what I like to do is just draw a line down the middle. Let's see if I can get this right. Ugh, God, this light is terrible. I'm sorry, people. Yeah. You can just see it come out there. I'm just kind of squeezing it. Yeah. Come out. Alright. Yeah, you can see sometimes they give you a lot, sometimes they don't. Alright, now once that's on there, it's not really going to move or anything, which is nice. Okay. Alright. Next part is kind of a doozy. Just honestly because of the way that my camera angle is set up right now. But we will get there eventually. Let's see if placing it here might help me a bit. Okay, that helps a little bit. Okay, so basically you're going to want to take the glass and don't ever... This applies with all tempered glass as well. The ones you get for iPhones and crap. People like to get it and just peel it off from the back. I don't do that anymore. I do it underneath. Basically, keep this pull tab underneath, so then dirt and stuff's not going to fall on it. Alright, basically that. Okay. And now we got that. Now we're just gonna lay it down. We're just gonna lay it down, just drop it. And sometimes the glue might just quickly rush out from the sides. Like you can see right there, it's starting to seep out, which it's okay. So don't worry about it. Just take your little cleaning cloth and just touch it. Literally just touch it, and it's gonna suck it in there. It's weird. But yeah, you can already see that I just got that one dot right there, but it's already looking pretty good. A lot better than the other one I had on there, honestly. So I just tapped it a little bit forward and bam, we're good. I mean, it's looking good so far. I mean, just got some little drippage down there. Now, if this stuff can get messy if you don't take your time with it. That's why it might piss some people off, and I can understand that. Because I mean, the first few times it took me a while to get this right, but it's okay. Yeah, that and slowly the glue will just kind of creep up and it'll fix it. Yeah. All right, almost set the camera down. And I'll see if I can work out this bubble. It's kind of hard to work out bubbles, but you can try. If you're just slow with it, and just basically kind of like, I like to like roll my finger. Some of the glue might come out. That's weird. Shit. Oh no! I think that's actually part of the fucking plastic shit. Yep, how about that? Fuck. Fuck, where did that shit go? Oh, there we go. Oh, nope, we got it away. Okay, it's just... Okay, I thought it was part of the plastic film. Nope, okay. Okay, so now it just formed out even more bubbles, and I'm just gonna kind of just push them out. Excess glue is gonna come out a lot on this one for me, but that's okay. Because if you just dry it up, you'll be good. Let's see, give me one of these. And make sure to dry it as quick as possible if you can, because I've gotten it in the buttons before. But the cool thing about these Samsung phones is you can just take these buttons out. If you got like a sharp enough knife or X-Acto knife and just get right up under the lip of your button, you can just yank it out and clean it. That's what I've had to do. Okay. Well, that's looking pretty good. So there's some tiny bubbles in it, but I mean, it's nothing too bad. I mean, you'll only see it when the phone's off. Now, they give you one, but I bought so many of these screen protectors, I've got a little collection of them. I just like to keep my little plastic pull tab, save the battery, and just wave it over there. Just wave it. Just for a little bit. Nail salons, they got hand nail dryers. Those are good for these. You can buy those off eBay too, from around like 20 to 30 bucks, and just stick the phone in there if you're doing tons of these. But that's only if you work in phones. All right, we're getting there. You could probably get this done in probably about like 5 minutes or so, but I personally like to let the glue dry with these lights for around like 5-10 minutes or so. That's why it's honestly best to get the machine, the little nail drying machine that you can stick your hand in. Like I said, they got them at nail salons. And I mean, that light's a little more powerful, so that'll help. Yeah. But yeah, really the only other problem that I've seen with these kind of screen protectors is it's sometimes with cases. The case might brush up against it. Fuck. And you might get like a little bit of air pocket there, but it's normally never going to go anywhere. I mean, I've had it to where I could even like push the air pocket out and the glue still somehow stayed there and stuck on for even longer. But yeah, y'all, that's my dumb little review on these UV tempered glasses. I mean, they've been out for a minute. Some people know about them, some people don't. I'll find a link of one in eBay and put it in the description for you, as well as that machine I was talking about too. Like, if y'all just want some good protection, I mean, this honestly works. It does, and I can say it has. I've put it on my phones before, and it works. And that's why I always recommend to put a case on it too. I mean, yes, a phone can look nice without a case and hoo-ha, but I see a phone as a fucking investment. So take care of your stuff, and it'll take care of you. Well, guys, if you like this video in any sort of way or found it helpful or useful, give it a like, comment, whatever. I just appreciate y'all watching. And if y'all got any questions, leave a comment. And like I said, I'll leave those 2 descriptions or links in the video for those things. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.